How to become a DevOps engineer. A comprehensive guide on becoming a DevOps engineer. DevOps has emerged as one of the most in-demand roles in the technology industry, with organizations looking for professionals who can help them deliver software faster and more efficiently. If you're interested in pursuing a career as a DevOps engineer, this comprehensive guide will help you get started. Hit the like, share and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video to get a comprehensive guide on becoming a DevOps engineer. 1. Gain a strong understanding of software development and operations. DevOps is all about bringing development and operations teams together, so it's crucial to have a solid understanding of both. You should have a good knowledge of programming languages such as Python or Java, and experience with version control systems such as Git. You should also have a good understanding of systems administration and be familiar with technologies such as Linux, DNS, and TCP/IP. 2. Learn automation tools and technologies. Automation is at the heart of DevOps, and you should be familiar with tools such as Puppet, Chef, Ansible, or SaltStack for configuration management. You should also have experience with continuous integration and deployment tools such as Jenkins, Travis C, or Circle C. 3. Explore cloud computing. Most organizations are moving their infrastructure to the cloud, and you should have a good understanding of cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. You should be familiar with cloud deployment models, such as Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. 4. Familiarize yourself with containerization. Containerization, using tools such as Docker and Kubernetes, is an important aspect of DevOps, and you should have a solid understanding of how to build, deploy, and manage containers. 5. Gain experience with monitoring and logging tools. It's crucial to monitor and log the performance of your applications and infrastructure, and you should be familiar with tools such as Nagios, Zabbix, and ELK Stack Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, for this purpose. 6. Study security. DevOps engineers are responsible for ensuring the security of applications and infrastructure, and you should have a good understanding of security concepts such as encryption, authentication, and access control. You should also be familiar with security tools such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDS, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS. 7. Participate in online communities and attend conferences. DevOps is a rapidly evolving field, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest tools and best practices. You can do this by participating in online communities such as Stack Overflow and Reddit, attending DevOps conferences, and following thought leaders in the field on social media. 8. Build a portfolio of projects. The best way to demonstrate your skills is by building and showcasing a portfolio of projects that you have worked on. These projects can range from simple automation scripts to more complex deployments on the cloud. 9. Get hands-on experience. Practical experience is key in DevOps, and you can gain this by working on projects in your personal time or participating in open-source projects. You can also look for opportunities to work on real-world projects within your organization or as a freelance consultant. 10. Get certified. While certifications are not a requirement for a career in DevOps, they can demonstrate your knowledge and expertise in the field. Some of the popular certifications include AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Certified Kubernetes Administrator, CKA, and Red Hat Certified Engineer, RHCE. 11. Collaborate with other DevOps engineers. Collaborating with other professionals in the field can help you learn from others, network, and stay informed about the latest developments in DevOps. You can participate in DevOps communities, attend meetups, and join online forums to connect with other DevOps engineers. 12. Continuously improve your skills. The DevOps field is constantly evolving, and it's important to continuously improve your skills and knowledge. This can be done by taking online courses, attending workshops and training sessions, and staying up to date with the latest tools and best practices. In conclusion, becoming a DevOps engineer requires a combination of technical skills, experience with automation and cloud computing, and a strong understanding of software development and operations. With dedication and a commitment to continuous learning, you can develop the skills and knowledge required to pursue a successful career in DevOps. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science videos. Thank you for watching.